here. This is a Jeep Liberty. You can see the Liberty. And we got a broken lug stud. And clearly the lug nuts were loose. My buddy is not a big car guy. He's got the Liberty though, but he doesn't do his own maintenance, and he took it to get the wheels and tires rotated. And well, you can see they clearly left one loose. So I'm gonna replace his brakes, replace the wheel studs, get that all back up and running for him. So I'm gonna make a video of it. So here I go. We're gonna begin the process with removing the caliper bolts, which are a 12 millimeter. Find that. Once we get those out, we can get the caliper out of the way, take the rotor off, and see what we have to deal with as far as replacing these studs. Alright, so I have the caliper off. It's not suspended. You don't want to do that. And then I'm going to take the caliper mounting bracket off, and that is 13/16. You see I have all the wheel studs hammered out, and they need it to be. Starting to pull them in now, trying with the impact wrench, and they're really close but not all the way, so I'm gonna see what else I can do.
Is the old rotor going back on?
I'm not gonna put this rotor on. So this is the old rotor, and you can see the flat spot, and that's why we've got to replace it. So I wouldn't reuse this, even though the brake pads look good. I wouldn't reuse it. So we got the studs replaced, we've got the caliper bracket attached, we've got the brake pads in. I'm getting ready to attach the caliper, and then this side gonna be ready to put the wheel back on, which we found. Actually, Steve found.
Yeah.
He found it on the side of the highway.
Happy I done that.
So we're almost there, and then the other side's not going to take us any time.